Welcome to the most wonderful game you've ever seen. Goose Genocide. This is my submission for the Software Engineering 2026 mini-hackathon. It's made on Python terminal, and I use a library called Turtle. It's inspired by Cookie Clicker, and that's my GitHub. The link to the repository is also here. Okay, so in this game, you have to kill all the geese that are on Waterloo campus. I created this game on Python terminal. I think I already said that. I hope I'm not losing points for presentation. But yeah, you're going to exterminate these geese, and by clicking the center, essentially like Cookie Clicker. Okay, there's power-ups to increase the frequency of clicks. So let's take a look at it. Goose Genocide. I'll go through the code briefly. So here is the window being set up, and then this is the goose picture. It's being set up. This is the shield. These are shield, tool, and warrior. These are the power-ups, which are just being set up on the screen. Here are some global constants that are defined. This is the text that displays the kill count, and here are just some functions that are being defined that I will be using in the body of the code. Yeah, I'm great at explaining things. Okay, so time to run the program. Python goose.py. Okay, so Goose Genocide. This is a goose. Bam, you killed a goose on campus. Bam, you killed another. Bam, 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 bam. You killed more geese. Keep doing this until you kill 100 geese, and then you unlock the first power-up, the Waterloo Shield. And once you've killed more than 100 geese, the Waterloo Shield, using its majestic powers, helps you kill 5 geese at a time instead of just 1. It's better than Captain America's shield. That's a proven fact. Okay, so at 500, it's rigid wrench thing that we saw in orientation, the 60-inch wrench or whatever. Bam. Now, the 60-inch wrench will help you kill 20 geese at a time. No more worrying about those flocks of geese that are about to attack you in your dorm. To get to 2,000, then we'll unlock the Waterloo Warriors. It's the sports team that'll kill them in cold blood. Bam. Now it kills geese 50 at a time. Just keep clicking this. Eventually you won't need to worry about any more geese on campus. Soon enough, the number of humans will outnumber the number of geese. That's the game.